loves, welcome to my channel, Jumi's Kitchen. If you're a new subscriber, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for being there. I appreciate you. So guys, I'll be showing you how I make this lovely, crunchy and spicy chicken. Just look at it. I just took a bite and it's still looking so good. Just look at it, so juicy and nice. So the beauty of this recipe is that you don't have to break the bank to make this. You can just make it with your basic ingredient that you have in your house. So let's get right into the video. So today I'll be using the soft chicken. I'm using different parts of the soft. You can as well use any part of your choice, the thigh, the wings, the drumstick, any part that you want to. It's totally fine. So yeah, I have the ingredient I'll be using to marinate: garlic powder, black pepper, all-purpose chicken flavor, my Maggi and chili pepper. Then I also have my habanaro pepper. So you can check the description box below for the list of ingredients. What I'll be doing right now is blending this ingredient together: habanaro pepper, a bit of the chili pepper, the garlic powder, and all of that. I'll add some salt too. Then I'll add some dark soy sauce. This is totally optional if you don't have it at home. So add a bit of it, then blend it and bring it to the chicken to marinate. Pour it in, then mix it thoroughly. I love this process. It's kind of therapeutic for me. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure that all parts and corner of the chicken is properly marinated, and then I'll be putting it in the fridge for about 30 minutes so that all those ingredients can get properly soaked into the chicken. I was about to say kitchen. The truth is that if you have enough time on your hands, you can actually keep it in the fridge for about an hour or more. Some people keep their marinated chicken in the fridge for 24 hours, which is totally fine. It makes it the longer the sweeter, if you ask me. The next stage is the coating stage. So I'll be using a secret ingredient for the chicken coating. I'm sure you are guessing by now. I'm using semo. You can as well use flour if you have some at home. As I said, all of these ingredients you have at home, especially if you're an African and you're watching this, you have most of this ingredient that you'll be using for this recipe right in your house. Well, I'm using semo. Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? So let's get right into it. So you can start coating the chicken at this point. So pick it up gently, put it into the flour and then the semo, right, and coat it properly. Coat every corner of it with this mixture. Keep coating until you're satisfied. So I have my chicken properly coated and ready to be deep fried. So get enough oil into your pan or into your pot. Make sure it is hot but not too hot. You want to reduce the light to the barest minimum. But make sure that before putting the chicken, it is hot. You can do this by testing the oil with a wooden spoon or a bit of flour. If it sizzles, then it is hot and then it is ready to be fried. You have to deep fry this chicken for at most 15 minutes so that it is properly cooked. You don't want to have half cooked chicken, so you have to deep fry it. You see the reason why you need to put it on low heat so it doesn't burn. At this point it's 10 minutes already and I'm turning my chicken. Yeah, it's looking good already. I'll leave it for an extra 5 minutes to fry properly. Since the first part is fried, then the second part is half fried, almost fried. So here it is ready, and gently I would bring them out. I'm frying the second batch now, and here we go, here we have it. This is my crunchy spicy chicken, looking all yummy. I can't wait to have this, and I'm sure my family members will like this. They would love it. It looks so yummy. It looks so yummy. Would you be trying this recipe? Be honest, would you be? Please let me know in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Let me know if you like videos like this, if you want me to do something like this more and more. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.